California almond farming is a significant agricultural activity, making the state the leading producer of almonds globally. Almonds are California's most valuable agricultural export, with the industry contributing billions of dollars to the state's economy and employing thousands of workers. Almond farming involves a combination of different processes, and the first step in this process is soil preparation. Disking is a crucial step in preparing soil for almond farming. This process involves pulling a disc harrow behind a tractor to break up compacted soil, level the ground, and incorporate organic matter or crop residues into the soil. Proper disking ensures a well-prepared field that promotes healthy almond tree growth and higher yields. The next process is digging holes for almond planting with a tractor. The tractor is equipped with a digging attachment. It's an efficient and time-saving method. The attachment, typically mounted at the back of the tractor, allows for precise and consistent hole creation, ensuring uniform spacing and depth, which are essential for optimal tree growth. Properly dug holes provide ample space for root development and help establish healthy almond trees. After the holes are dug, laborers manually plant the almond saplings, one by one with care. This hands-on approach ensures each plant is properly positioned, with its roots spread out evenly and covered with soil to promote healthy growth. By planting the saplings by hand, workers can make adjustments as needed to maintain the correct depth and alignment, which are crucial for uniform orchard development. This method ensures the young almond plants have the best possible start in the prepared soil. After planting when almond trees are young, spraying is an important process to promote better and faster growth. This involves applying nutrient-rich foliar sprays, growth stimulants, or protective treatments to the leaves and stems of the young plants. These sprays provide essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium directly to the plants, boosting their development. During winter, fallen leaves, debris, and leftover almonds are swept from the orchard floor to maintain cleanliness and reduce the risk of pests, diseases, and fungal growth. Specialized sweeping machines or tractor-mounted attachments are often used to efficiently gather and remove the debris. This process not only keeps the orchard tidy, but also prepares the ground for spring activities like pruning, fertilization, and irrigation, ensuring a healthy environment for the trees and promoting the next season's growth and yield. Almond orchards often use advanced irrigation methods, such as drip irrigation or micro-sprinklers, which deliver water directly to the root zone with precision. These systems help conserve water, reduce evaporation, and ensure uniform distribution across the orchard. Removing pests in an almond orchard using a tractor with specialized attachments is an effective and efficient process. The tractor is equipped with pest control implements designed to evenly distribute pesticides or organic treatments across the orchard. This method ensures precise application, reaching both the upper canopy and lower areas of the trees. By using the tractor, large areas can be treated quickly, reducing the risk of pest infestations that could harm the trees and lower yields. This mechanized approach not only saves time and labor, but also supports healthy almond production. Almond tree flowers mark the beginning of the process of almond formation, showcasing a vibrant and delicate stage in the orchard's life cycle. These blossoms, typically white or pale pink, signal the start of pollination, where bees play a vital role in transferring pollen between flowers. Once pollinated, the flowers begin transforming into developing almond fruits. Various types of machines are used for almond harvesting, each designed to make the process quick and efficient. Tree shakers are commonly used to gently shake the almonds off the trees, ensuring minimal damage to the branches. Sweeping machines then collect the fallen almonds from the orchard floor, clearing them into neat rows. The fifth SHD almond harvest marks a significant step forward in almond farming, Super high-density orchards with their close-planted trees offer increased yields per acre and improved efficiency. This latest harvest showcases the maturity of this innovative system, demonstrating its potential to revolutionize almond production. Mechanical harvesting, a key component of SHD orchards, further enhances efficiency and reduces labor costs. This innovative approach, pioneered by Agromolora, involves planting almond trees at remarkably high densities, resulting in a multitude of benefits. By utilizing the Rootpack 20 rootstock, SHD orchards achieve early production, often reaching full yield within just 3 years and significantly increase yield per acre. The reduced vigor of the Rootpack 20 rootstock leads to lower water consumption, making SHD orchards more sustainable. The hedge-like structure of these orchards enables full mechanization, including harvesting. The fifth SHD almond harvest serves as a testament to the success of this technology, demonstrating its ability to revolutionize almond production and address the growing global demand for this nutritious nut. Almond harvesting by shake machine is a highly efficient and mechanized process that has revolutionized the industry. During the harvest season, specialized shake machines are employed to gently shake the almond trees, causing the ripe nuts to fall to the ground. These machines are equipped with protective grips to prevent damage to the trees, while ensuring a thorough and efficient harvest. Once the almonds have been shaken from the trees, they are left to dry in the field for several days. Almond harvesting machines have significantly streamlined the process, increasing efficiency and productivity. These machines can quickly and effectively shake the trees, causing the ripe almonds to fall to the ground. This mechanization reduces the need for manual labor, saves time, and minimizes the risk of damaging the trees. These machines often have the capacity to collect the fallen almonds, further automating the harvesting process. It typically consists of a hydraulically powered arm with a clamp that grips the tree trunk. The machine applies controlled vibrations to the tree, causing the ripe almonds to detach and fall onto a canvas or tarp spread beneath the tree. This method significantly reduces labor costs and increases harvesting efficiency compared to manual picking. After the almond shaker machine has dislodged the ripe almonds from the trees, a sweeper machine is employed to gather them efficiently. This machine, equipped with brushes and fans, sweeps the fallen almonds into neat rows, known as windrows. The collected almonds are then transported to a central processing facility, where they undergo a series of steps to prepare them for market. After the almonds are harvested, they are carefully transported to a central processing facility. Here, the almonds are meticulously stored in designated areas to ensure their freshness and quality. The next step involves a thorough cleaning process, where the almonds are meticulously cleaned to remove any dirt, debris, or foreign matter that may have adhered to them during the harvesting and transportation process. The clean almonds are then carefully loaded onto trailers, ready to be transported to the next stage of processing. After the almonds are received at the factory, the next crucial step in the processing journey is almond shelling. This process involves carefully removing the hard outer shell of the almond to expose the edible kernel within. Specialized shelling machines are employed to efficiently crack the shells while minimizing damage to the delicate kernels. The shelled almonds are then meticulously sorted and graded to ensure that only the highest quality kernels are selected for further processing. To ensure that the shelling process is as efficient and effective as possible, the almonds are first sorted by size. This helps to prevent smaller almonds from being damaged by the shelling machines. The almonds are then fed into the shelling machines, which use a combination of mechanical and pneumatic forces to crack the shells. The shelled almonds are then separated from the shells using a series of screens and air separators. Once the almonds have been shelled, they undergo a rigorous quality inspection process. Each almond is carefully examined to identify and remove any that are damaged, discolored, or otherwise compromised. This meticulous inspection ensures that only the highest quality almonds are selected for the subsequent processing stages. The remaining almonds are then subjected to a second round of sorting, this time based on their size and shape. This precise sorting process is essential for ensuring consistent roasting and processing in the subsequent stages. By categorizing the almonds into uniform groups, the processors can optimize the roasting time and temperature, resulting in evenly cooked and flavorful almonds. The final stage in the almond processing journey is the meticulous packing process. The clean, sorted, and often roasted or flavored almonds are carefully weighed and portioned into various packaging formats to cater to diverse consumer preferences. Indeed, almond shells, though discarded after the shelling process, are far from waste. They possess a wide range of potential applications, making them a valuable resource. These shells are often collected and stored in designated areas outside the processing facility, awaiting further utilization. By finding innovative ways to utilize almond shells, the processing industry can reduce waste, contribute to environmental sustainability, and create additional value from this previously discarded byproduct.